Jai Hind students. In our previous video, we learned what is a house and home, difference between them, why do we need a house. We need a house because we feel safe in our home, which saves or protects us from heat, cold, rain, animals and thieves. And also learned about different parts of our house, like living room for welcoming guests, bedroom for sleeping or taking rest, kitchen for cooking food, storeroom for storing things, bathroom for taking bath or washing. Difference between home and house. A house is just a place for people to live. It becomes home when all the family members live together, love each other and help each other. Different. And today I will tell you different types of houses. I will show you different types of houses. The first one is, this is Kacha house. The Kacha house is made up from mud, straw and wood. This is Pakka house. In present time, we all live in Pakka house. This is a tent. This is a caravan. This is a houseboat. And this is a igloo. These are different types of houses. Now I will show you the material used in making of Pakka house. Materials used to build a house. It is stones used to make a house. It is cement. It is also used in, this is iron, wood, and bricks. These all things used to make a house. Okay? In this chapter, Chotu's house, there is a poem, Home Sweet Home, written by Bharat Gyan Vigyan Samiti. Now we are going to recite this. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? When I know it belongs to many more. Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch-catch together. Look, mother, how these mice all playing catch-catch together. And look how these mosquitoes fly. And look how these mosquitoes fly. And how peaceful lies the happy spider. And how peaceful lies the happy spider. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard. The birds are all pecking about. And look outside in the courtyard. The birds are pecking about. Just like when my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. Sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. That is why, say dear mother, that is why I say dear mother, don't think this house is only ours. Don't think this house is only ours. It's dear to us and all who live here. It's dear to us and all who lives here and have been living for many years and have been living for many years. In this poem, this child asks her mother a question that you always tell me the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that when I know it belongs to many more? Like the lizard in the wall loved his home. It is their home also. They also live here. They play catch-catch. And the housefly play fly-fly. On even I did not know that my home is also a home for many other animals, insects and plants. I thought my home is only it belongs to so many others also. I knew that this is a home for my cow, my dog, my hen, my chicks, and my housefly. I call him Buzz. I call it Buzz. I did not know that my home is also home for the ants, the rats, the lizards, birds, trees, and plants. There are two types of animals who lives in our house. Some animals live in our house because we want them to, but some animals live uninvited. Now I will show you a short video on these animals which are live in our house because we want them to, and some live uninvited. This is a cow. It lives because we want to eat too. It gives us milk. It is a mosquito. It lives uninvited in our house. It is also dangerous for us. It causes many diseases. Now this is a hen. It lives in our house because we want it to. It gives us egg. It is a dog. It lives in our house because we want it to. This is a lizard. This lives uninvited in our house. This is ant. It also lives uninvited in our house. This is a rat. It is also lives uninvited in our house. This is a buffalo. It lives because we want it to. It gives us milk, which is used for many things. Now this is the short video on different animals who lives because we want it to, and some who lives uninvited in our house. Do you know rats have poor eyesight but have excellent sense of smell, touch and taste. Students, do you know we should always keep our house clean and decorated? We have to clean up our home nicely. We should collect the garbage and place where the garbage we always put the garbage in the dustbins. We keep our house clean by brooming, mopping and keeping things at proper places. We should keep our house clean to protect ourselves from germs and diseases. Students, teachers and as well as parents taught you to keep all places neat and clean, our home, our school, our villages, our toilets and rivers. This is we should not throw garbage anywhere we feel like. The garbage always put on the in the dustbin. Okay? And why we should decorate our houses? On which occasions we should decorate our houses? We decorate our houses on festivals, birthday parties, anniversaries, and some special occasions. Now look at this picture. This is a string made up of mango leaves. It looks so beautiful. It is used to decorate the front door, and this is a rangoli. We used flowers, grass, and other color powders to decorate a rangoli. Students, now I will show you how to make a rangoli. This is my rangoli. You also make different types of rangolis and color it. Now this is the end of this chapter. Bye.